we'll go over. Look at that, one hand like a professional. Today I am, see how deep this is. That's what she said. Yo. That's not too bad. Today I am at a place in Belfast called the Rumble Hole, which is a little hidden gem of a waterfall. I'm going to take you for a quick look around the waterfall that I've been to twice before. It's a nice spot, and I'll put the drone up if it stays dry enough, but we're very, very cloudy. So, but main priority right now is the waterfall. So let's go. Yeah, so I'm going to take a quick detour up here. I'll cut through all this and go over to the top. How did I get up here? Oh, there. Walked right past it. Up you go. Oh yeah. Oh, that looked nice. So that's the river that runs away from it. Right, I'm gonna get out of the river now. My feet are cold. Because there's a nice wee pond, there's a nice wee spot of the water there. Not that you can see, but I'll try and video it now. Is, as you can see, just below the fall here. Other than that basin there in the middle, you've got this little mini waterfall here and its own little basin, which then feeds into the river. But all coming from this spot right here and then out into the trees behind me. Yeah, pack her away. Ooh, head back down to the bottom. Ooh, near took my face off. Get that packed up. And we'll get down to the bottom of the basin. Have a wee look about. Let's go. Got her set to manual, because I'm not going to mess around with aperture. I dare anyone that's watching this, find this waterfall and take a dip in the basin. I'm telling you, see from here, all that water falling. Not all of it falls straight, but actually this, where are we? This main sort of flow here, that falls straight down and it will slap the hell out of your brain. I got major brain freeze, stood underneath that, and I tried to stay on there for as long as I could, but my head was ringing when I got out of it. So anyone that's watched this, I dare you, come take a dip in this waterfall. Yeah, we're getting wet now. There's number 2, or basin number 2, sorry. Sorry, fall number 2, and then basin number 2. So you can still see the main one, if you can still hear me, of course. You can still see the main one there. So thankfully, I didn't take the lens off. Stay away from my drone. Yeah, buzz your ass somewhere else. That's the waterfall. That's the quarry. And that's me on the way back to the car to get something to eat. I'll see you in the next one.